Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to take a look at one of these foldable UV sterilizing wands. I picked this up on eBay. I'm going to put a link in the video description below if you'd like to get one for yourself. First, opening the box, we get the UV wand, a small instruction pamphlet, and a USB micro cord. All right, looking at the instructions, let's zoom in real quick. Here we go. Looks like this can run on AAAs or using the power cord. We need to apply the power button for 3 seconds for the lamp to turn on. But there's a safety mechanism in here that will prevent the UV lamp from being on if it is tipped upward. That is handy. It should keep people from blinding themselves. And warning, do not point toward eyes. Let me get the focus in there. There we go. Lessons learned the hard way, am I right? All right, let's get this box pushed out of the way. Looking at it from the outside, decent design. It's pretty sturdy left to right. I mean, it feels pretty light, but because there's no batteries in here, the bulb side is a bit heavier. Looks like we have just a chrome-plated plastic fascia, and this feels like a real glass bulb, which is promising. If we look in real close, well, let's see if I can just zoom and get the focus right, maybe. There we go. We can see the little igniter coils. And in here is our battery compartment. As it said, it can take 4 AAA sized batteries, or we can apply power using the USB micro port here, which is what we're going to do today. Rather than use the provided cord, I'm just going to use my longer one and a standard wall wart. Let's plug it in. I'll be right back. We have our power cord plugged into the back here, and having the bulb face down, we'll hold on to the power button for 3 seconds. And there we go, it's powered on, but we are not getting any illumination from the UV light. Let's power that off. Gonna bring the microphone real close. I'm actually using a lapel mic today. Not sure if you can hear it, but there is a little metallic tink that appears to be the mechanism that keeps it from shutting or turning on when upside down. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Give me a moment. All right, I changed the view. We're gonna grab our little screwdrivers and a tiny Phillips bit. And let's take apart the base plate first. Let's bring this over. There we go. Let's take off the back. And here we can see the power input bridged across for the batteries. And that just goes straight across. Whoop, little chrome plated button cover. Goes to this little circuit board. Let's remove that. Move this out of the way. All right. If we can get the focus right. Here we can see quite a lot going on. We have a completely blank 8-pin microcontroller here. No identifying marks there. And on this side, we have a small transformer to ramp up the voltage, which is a good sign because this would need to be ramped up if it is in fact a glass tube style UVC light. So far it looks pretty promising. Here's the mechanism that tells the device whether it's upside up or upside down. All right, let's open up this half. All right. This half seems to be pinned in by the hinge. Give me just a moment to see if I can open that up. I'll be right back. Now I've got it apart. We can see that each end has this silicone isolating rubber on it. And if we remove this top, we can see where the glass tube has been bent around, filled and capped off with gas. Put that back on. And this side houses the electrodes. So this is a real glass tube style UVC lamp. The question is, why exactly is it not turning on? And I think I've discovered the root cause. I'm not sure if it shows up on camera very well, but right across here, it appears it may have cracked and let out all of the gas. And it won't ignite if there's no gas in there. So that could be our problem. I'm going to go ahead and order a new one, and we'll do another test when that one comes in. So, as far as I can tell, this is a real UVC sterilizing lamp, and we'll have to confirm that in a future video. I'll put a link to that in the description below once I have it uploaded. That's all I have for today's video, and if you've made it this far, consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and maybe pop by the Patreon page and consider being a supporter of the channel. Videos like this are made possible with the support of my patrons. Thanks for watching.